Hey guys, it's Paulie with J&P Cycles. Today we're going to dress up the side of this Milwaukee 8 engine with a Performance Machine cam cover. I already had the exhaust off, that's pretty basic, so I'm going to walk you through pulling the cam cover off and torquing it to spec. To start out, make sure you have a good drain pan underneath. You're going to lose a little bit of oil on this. So that and a 3/16 Allen, and we'll start backing these out. Using a dead blow or a small rubber hammer, you just gently tap and you should be able to break the cam cover free. And just pull off the factory gasket, as you will not be needing it or reusing it. And this is my first time looking inside the cam chest of a Milwaukee 8. All right, before you put the new one on, you're gonna make sure you don't have any gasket material on and wipe off any excess oil. So once you've wiped everything down, I like to put a couple of bolts through, like you can see, to hold the new gasket in place. And I can just slide right up. We'll hand tighten all the bolts. So we're gonna follow this torque sequence and torque them all down to 105 inch-pounds. The reason you have torque sequences, as if you aren't aware, is basically so that you don't warp stuff. If you just go all willy-nilly bolting stuff down, you can end up warping pieces. Ain't nobody got time for that. Where you at, 5? As you can see, 105 inch-pounds is not a ton of torque because all I did is snug those up before, and I'm not getting a lot of turns on them. All right. That's it. I'm going to clean up this little bit of oil that spilled, and once the bike's off the lift, I would check the oil level, make sure you didn't lose too much, and add what you need. And that's pretty much the install of this Performance Machine cam cover on a Milwaukee 8. If you liked what you just saw, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Paulie with J&P Cycles. Ride 'em, don't hide 'em, and ride it like you can fix it.